What are the top 5 most intelligent animals on Earth? Some of these may surprise you. Let's start off with number 5, the African gray parrot. In general, parrots are very smart and many possess the ability to problem solve, develop relationships, mimic human speech, and develop memories. However, African gray parrots have shown to have the most cognitive capacity compared to other parrots. They have a fairly similar brain to ours. While humans have the pontine nuclei to transfer information between the cortex and the cerebellum, parrots have an enlarged medial spiriform nucleus circuit, 2 to 5 times as large compared to other birds. This passes messages between the cerebellum and cortex almost as if a primate does, giving parrots the ability to use intelligence and motor skills to perform complex tasks. Next, at number 4 is elephants. Elephants have proven to be incredibly smart as they can understand human body language, create detailed memories, show empathy, and mourn for the death of their companions. Elephants have been studied to be able to distinguish between different human ages, genders, and ethnicity through the sound of someone's voice. They remember the people's voices that appear to be a threat to them. Another cool trick is elephants have discovered they can use sticks to scratch themselves in places they can't reach, much like a human with a backscratcher. Moving on to number 3, we have the octopus. Everyone knows octopuses have 8 arms, but did you know each of these arms is connected to its own small brain, giving them the ability to engage each arm independently for taste, touch, and movement? However, these arms can also be controlled by the central brain, allowing the octopuses to control the arms based on things like sight. Like the other animals, octopuses have demonstrated their ability to use tools and recognize people, but one thing that sets them apart is their ability to disguise themselves through camouflage. They have specialized cells called chromatophores under their skin that can change color instantly. They can also change the texture of their skin through certain areas called papilla, the same things as the bumps on your tongue. These small areas can inflate or deflate quickly to match the texture of their surroundings. At number 2, we have the dolphin. Dolphins are able to problem solve and socially interact like the previous animals, but what puts them ahead is their ability to obtain knowledge as an individual. Research has shown dolphins possess the incredible ability to learn and pass on their knowledge to others. They have incredibly large brains compared to their body weight, second in the world behind humans. Some researchers have even witnessed dolphins strategically planning ahead to gain more gratification, such as a treat. Finally, at number 1, the chimpanzee. They contain almost 99% of human DNA and are highly capable of being taught a variety of skills such as problem solving, sign language, and learning through their society and from generations before them. They communicate with one another through facial expressions and vocalizations such as grunts and roars. Furthermore, chimpanzees have been seen to use loud calls and noise such as drumming of trees for distant communication and calmer, quieter forms of communication when close, such as facial expressions. They even appear to smile when playing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.